In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram profile link. Now, whether it be your own profile or someone else's profile, you can easily share it to anyone that you want or in any platform. Firstly, let me show you how you can share your own profile link. Head over to your profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen, and there you'll find an option of QR code. After you tap on it, you can see the screen. Now, if you only want the link instead of this QR code, you can tap on the share icon on the top right of the screen. And after you do that, you can see various platforms that you can share to. For now, I'm just going to share it to notes, paste it something like this. Now, if you want to copy this link, you can simply tap and hold it like so and copy the link only instead of the username. You can tap on copy, and this way you can now easily paste it to any platform if you only want to copy the link and not share it directly. Now, if you want to copy someone else's profile link, you can open up their profiles and tap on the three dots on the top right, and there you'll see an option of copy profile URL. After you tap on it, you can see that the link has been copied to your clipboard, and you can easily paste it or share it to anyone or any other platform. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and share this video. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.